What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Dub Club. In this episode, I'm going to be working on intercooler bracket for the DSM. I got some pretty thick metal to try to fab something up with. I'm going to have to insert this into here. There's bolt holes on the bottom, so I'm gonna have to drill this out. I'm gonna have to build something to go up and over to the other side, and then mount the intercooler to that. Alright guys, so I got the intercooler on. Here's what it looks like. It does seem to be a little bit above where this cutout is in the bumper right here, but I think once I actually get the bumper mounted properly, because over here you can see there's still a gap because there's no bolt there. So once that goes up like that, that'll kind of close the gap down there a little bit, and the same thing on the other side. Here's where the intercooler piping comes out. It's right here. And it's just gonna shoot right there into a 90 and into the turbo. The other side comes out right over here, and it's gonna go up through here and into that intake manifold back there. So next step's gonna be to take the bumper off again, and actually I gotta weld the brackets all the way because after I had to revise it, I just tack welded it. I'm gonna take the bumper off, weld those up, and let's do this. Alright guys, so I got the intercooler mounted. It looks pretty sweet. Here's the final product. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to follow the build. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.